Welcome to the Boostly podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and most importantly, the confidence to go and get your own direct booking. I am encouraging everybody to think again before you go and do your Black Friday deal. Don't train your audience, train your customers that you're only here to offer major discounts. And also as well, don't try and offer something out that a week ago was exactly the same price. It just doesn't bode well. For a launch of a new unit or for a launch of something new, maybe I've seen a couple of people in Team Boostly that this week they are creating cookbooks and they're creating cookery classes and courses and whatnot, because this is like a new pivot for their business. So a really good thing that they could be doing for Black Friday could be opening up early applications for the cookery course, or be given a sneak peek, a heavily discounted rate on the cookbook. You've got people that are planning for 3 to 6 months for just this week. So again, those of you that are thinking last minute, you just sort of get that FOMO and you just think, I'm just going to put a Black Friday offer out there, and you haven't planned it properly, and it's something that somebody could have literally purchased a week ago. You're going to annoy a lot of people. So please don't do that. The other instance where you could do this could be where you team up with other local businesses in your area. So you offer the accommodation, you could partner with a local restaurant or a pub or something to offer maybe a gift voucher or something. Maybe there's a local chocolatier. You could partner with them and build up a little hamper. Then yeah, something like that you could definitely sell as a bundle and put it up for a Black Friday offer.